Welcome to today's video. Here we have beautiful Finnish spring weather. Today we are also changing the Finnish winter tires to the European winter tires because the radial spikes in the Finnish winter tires are illegal in, for example, Germany. Secondly, I personally have made a design mistake inside the camper van living area. I'm not able to access one of the water hoses and tighten it because of the poor design. We are going to fix that together with my partner today and make a service hatch. And what is more, thank you for subscribing. I didn't expect to get this many subscribers, so I really appreciate that. Thank you. I hope that you like this one.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard! With the speed of Formula 1 technician, we approached the changing of tires. As usual, everything didn't go as planned, and some of the tires were really stuck.
We use chemicals, but I don't say that everybody should use chemicals. You do you. Stuck. It seems that rear suspension needs replacements as well.
I'm planning for springtime travels, so I wanted to see the general condition of the vehicle. For example, was the exhaust pipe still attached?
Meanwhile, I was underneath the vehicle looking for more corrosion spots, I guess. My partner planned how we are going to fix the design mistake. My plan was to use this and just cut a bigger hole to the side of this storage space. For that, we would need to detach this whole side panel, and it is possible. I calculated it's 16 screws with T20 bit, so it's not that bad, and then we could use this. But instead, my partner got, I guess, a better idea, and he will explain it because I have never used that kind of tool before.
Yes, you do it like this.
As you heard, we are going to use this small saw of some sorts. And the problem lies here. There is the Truma Combi heater and boiler, and the outlet from the boiler, so that is the hot water port, is just underneath this corner here. And for that, we need to detach the current diesel fuel line from the heater, so we don't accidentally cut it when we are working with this hand saw. $57 millimeters. 54 millimeters, huh? Okay, 10 millimeters, good. Here is our sketch. It's good enough because there will be a cover on top of it. And as you see, the original is not perfect either. So it will be just fine. I'm a little bit nervous, but let's go. let more experienced people to try this first, then I maybe learn. I'm back at the training ground and it seems okay. I still will try this spare part here before going to the real camper van. Round 2, so apparently I need to keep it more level. The battery ran out just in time. Silly me, I already forgot that there is already paint on the other side, but it's okay. I will paint this all before finishing it. And here's the target. It is this connection over here we are looking for. Now we are able to tighten it properly and also monitor if it leaks. And of course I will clean this up first with hoover and pressurized air. Then I will connect the diesel well line over there and see if we have a functional Truma heater anymore. And we have also been offered help, so the actual cover will come from a professional milling device. Anyway, so we are really happy that we will get it from machining, not making it by handicraft, because it would look like this. This is the one I made by hand. And well, it works, but it's not super pretty. So I'm very thankful and will accept the offer for help. The diesel burner started at the first try. Great. So let's try to put some water in it and see if we have any leak in the hot water system. Here is the water pump. I put it on. Okay, it's pressurized. And I will open the diesel heater's valve. It's the back pressure / shut off valve we have for bypassing the hot water system. So now the water can enter the Truma boiler. It's here, this one. Up. My mistake. The Truma's frost control is open, so it directed the water to the workshop floor. I feel silly, like a potato. Sorry. Yeah, there's a little bit of water. Let's continue. Now we see if there are any water leaks. Yes. I see a drop. I see another drop. There is a leak. Let's stop the test. What an annoying spot. My own design mistake though. Let's try again. We will leave the pressure, come back after, I don't know, 10 minutes and see if there is water on the bottom of the floor. Hopefully not. Here's the indicator paper I put in there. Completely dry. Yay! So, looks like a successful repair, I guess. Well, point for today was to create the service hatch, which turned out to be more like service opening for now, because we will get the cover for the hatch later. But anyhow, now I'm able to monitor the water connection. If it starts leaking again, I can just retighten the hose clamp and hopefully stop the leak like that. It's full accessible now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have a great day ahead or night, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!
And 1 week later, we finished the service hatch.
Sound therapy videos.
Here we are. The most urgent repairs are done and the camper van is ready for the next travels. By the time of editing this video, I already know that everything won't go as planned and I missed something. So please stay tuned for the next video.